How's it going, everybody? And welcome back to the Shannon's Garage Australia YouTube channel. All right, well, it is an absolutely glorious day here in Queensland. It is Sunday, which means no work day, thank God. But to be honest, I actually haven't worked all week due to the roofers being here. Now, this is just a quick update on how they're traveling and how everything's going and how much longer it's going to be until I'm back in the workshop and able to get back to work on the E38 and the E36 and so on and so forth. So look, let me turn the camera around. I'll show you a bit of a mess that the boys have left. And yeah, there's still a fair bit of work to do here. So look, let me turn the camera around and show you guys what's going on. So as you can see by the huge piles of steel still around, they haven't finished yet. There's still a hell of a lot of work to do on the roof of the house, which I'll show you guys in a second. But not only that, the workshop itself still isn't finished yet either. We're waiting on cappings and flashings and all kinds of other stuff to finish off the roof in there. So until that gets done, I really don't want to be taking the E38 and putting it in there, just in case they drop something from the ceiling and, you know, it smashes down on top of the roof. And the last thing I want to have to do is do any body work on that immaculate car. So we're still waiting. As you can see behind me, the roof to the house is predominantly blue now. Again, still waiting on a bunch of material to get that finished off. But what I'll do is I'll flick the camera around and, you know, let you have a bit of a looky-see and yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along slowly. It's probably going to be another week or so before I'm back in the workshop and before the house is finished off. So, yay. But, you know, it is what it is. At least it's getting done finally. It's taken them a year, so, you know, at least it's getting done. So yeah, as you can see, the house is probably 3/4 of the way sheeted. But again, still need capping and flashings and, you know, all kinds of other stuff to go on yet. Solar panels have still got to go on the roof as well. So yeah, there's still a hell of a lot of work to go. I'm hoping it doesn't take any longer than, say, another week and a half to get done, because, you know, it's killing me not being able to go in the workshop. It really is. But on that, you'll notice the black E39 behind me now has a black bonnet. So I paid a bloke $400 to get the bonnet and the front spoiler done on it. So it's all one colour now. It's not the best paint job, and definitely something that I could have done better if I had had the time and the space to do so. But look, at the end of the day, it's all one colour now, and I can finish buttoning it up and getting it ready to put online and get rid of it. One less car in the workshop, one less car on the property, which means more money in the back pocket of Shannon's Garage Australia. So yeah, look, let me flip the camera around and give you a look at that. But yeah, it's coming together slowly, like everything, slowly. All right, so I realise this is a bit of a nothing episode, but I could not get an episode out for you guys this week. It's killing me not being in the workshop, but you know, at the end of the day, I've got to get this roof done. I really do. It all needs to be finished off and buttoned up. Look at the backyard. Just covered in BMWs. How unusual here at Shannon's Garage Australia. We have a few BMWs. But anyway, look, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, it's just a short little one, a bit of a workshop and a house update, and just let you know where I'm at with the E39. That will be up for sale shortly. 2000 model, 528i. It's got the AC Schnitzer accessories. Only 116,000 K, so the damn thing's still near on brand new, and it is a hell of a good driver. But yeah, like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe if this is something you want to continue seeing. I will try and get back into the workshop next week and go full steam ahead on that E38, so I can get back on the 2 E36 convertibles and get them ready for paint, and yeah, start enjoying those things as well. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and remember, stay cool.